Tired of feeling overwhelmed by the constant notifications, buzzing phones, never-ending emails, and that creeping pressure to always be on? You are not alone. In this hyper-connected world, it feels like our minds are always racing, and our attention is being pulled in a million directions. But what if I told you that the very same technology contributing to our stress could also help us calm down? Welcome to Quiet Lanterns, where we explore mindful ways to live well in the digital age. Today, we're going to discover something surprising: how to use technology not to distract you, but to center you. From meditation apps to calming soundscapes, wearables to digital well-being tools. This is your ultimate guide to mindfulness in a tech-driven world. So grab a cup of tea, take a deep breath, and let's begin your journey into mindful tech. Chapter 1: The Rise of Mindful Tech. Let's start with something we can all relate to. Technology is everywhere. It wakes us up in the morning, it tracks our steps. It pings us with messages, alerts, news, entertainment, and distractions. It's easy to think of tech as the enemy of peace. But what if it could become an ally? This is the paradox of technology and mindfulness. On one hand, tech fragments our attention. On the other, it also offers incredible tools to help us come back to the present moment. The truth is, mindfulness has never been more essential than in today's noisy, fast-paced, always-on society. And thankfully, we don't have to go live in a cave to find stillness. We just need to use our tech wisely. Let's explore how. Chapter 2: Mindfulness Apps, your pocket guide to calm. Let's begin with the easiest entry point: mindfulness apps. These are like digital sanctuaries in your pocket. Here are the top mindfulness apps in 2025 that are transforming lives. Number 1. Headspace. What it is: a beautifully designed app that guides you through daily meditations, best for beginners and those needing structure. Features are themed sessions, stress, focus, sleep, anxiety, sleepcasts for restful nights, mindful movement, and walking meditations. Number 2. Calm. What it is: known as the Netflix of mindfulness, best for relaxation, stress relief, sleep. Features celebrity-narrated sleep stories, breathing and body scan exercises. Number 3. Insight Timer. What it is: a free app with a massive library of meditations, best for customization and community. Features are 100,000 plus free guided meditations, live meditation events, and progress tracking. Using these apps can help you build a consistent practice, especially when life feels unpredictable. Just 10 minutes a day can help you lower stress, improve focus, and sleep better. Chapter 3: Beyond the apps, tech tools to beacon awareness. Mindfulness apps are just the beginning. Let's look at other technology that can enhance your awareness and emotional regulation. Number 1. Smartwatches and fitness trackers. Use Apple Watch, Fitbit, or Garmin to monitor heart rate variability, a key indicator of stress and recovery. Breathing patterns. Some wearables even remind you to breathe. Mindful movement reminders. When your heart rate spikes or stress levels rise, these tools can alert you, giving you a moment to pause and reset. Number 2. Ambient sound and focus apps. Let's talk about sound. Certain apps use ambient sound therapy to create a calm environment. Some top picks. The first one I like is Noisli. Customizable white noise, nature, and coffee shop sounds. Atmosphere. Soundscapes for focus and relaxation. Endel adaptive sound environments powered by AI. Whether you're working, meditating, or trying to fall asleep, these apps rewire your mental state through sound. Chapter 4: Mindfulness in the Digital Age, Creating Healthy Boundaries. It's one thing to use tech for mindfulness. It's another to be mindful of how you use tech. Here's how to set up your digital life for more peace. Number 1. Create tech-free zones in time. No devices at the dinner table. A phone-free morning or evening routine. Leave your phone out of the bedroom. This signals your brain it's time to slow down. No. 2. Use digital well-being tools. Modern phones have built-in features. iPhone, screen time, downtime, app limits. Android, focus mode, wind down, social media, usage stats, and alerts. These tools empower you to take back control over your digital habits so your phone doesn't own you. Chapter 5: Building a Sustainable Practice. Mindfulness isn't about escaping tech. It's about learning how to live well with it. Here's how to make your tech-powered mindfulness sustainable. Number 1. Start small. You don't need to meditate for 30 minutes daily. Start with 3 to 5 minutes, using an app like Insight Timer. Let your brain ease in. Number 2, experiment with tools. Try different apps. Use a wearable for a week. Play nature sounds while working. Find what soothes you, what helps you return to yourself. Number 3, make it routine. Morning, 5 minutes with Headspace. Midday, Noisli while working. Evening, calm sleep story before bed. The key is consistency over intensity. Mindfulness is a muscle. The more you practice, even in small moments, the stronger it becomes. Chapter 6. Embracing the future. As technology evolves, so will mindfulness. We're already seeing AI-powered meditation coaches, mood-based music generators, even VR experiences designed to mimic forests, oceans, and temples. The possibilities are endless. But at its core, mindfulness will always be about one thing: coming back to the present. And now, you have tools to help you do just that, anytime, anywhere. So experiment, explore, find what works, because in this noisy world, you deserve peace. Thank you for watching Quiet Lanterns. If this video helped you find calm, clarity, or curiosity, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. What's your favorite tech tool for mindfulness? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. And remember, mindfulness isn't about doing more, it's about being here. Until next time, breathe easy and keep your inner light glowing.